English speaking practice for beginners. Hi Ria. How was your day at school?
It was good. We learned about animals today.
What's your favorite subject?
I love math. What about you?
I like English.
Did you do your homework?
Yes. I finished it yesterday.
Who is your favorite teacher?
I like Mrs. Sharma. She teaches science very well.
What did you bring for lunch today?
I brought a sandwich.
Are you excited for the school trip?
Yes. We are going to the zoo.
Do you like history?
Not much. It's a little boring.
What time does your school start?
8 a.m. Do you like doing homework?
Not really, but it's important.
What is your favorite sport in school?
I love playing basketball.
Did you study for the test?
Yes. I hope I do well.
Who is your best friend in school?
My best friend is Neha.
What do you do during recess?
I play with my friends.
Do you like art class?
Yes. I love drawing.
What is your school uniform color?
It is blue and white.
Do you like music class?
Yes. I love singing.
How do you go to school?
I take the school bus.
What subject do you find difficult?
Science is a little hard for me.
Did you complete the project?
Not yet, I will finish it today.
Do you like reading books?
Yes. I love storybooks.
What is your school's name?
It's Green Valley School.
What did you learn in math today?
We learned about fractions.
Do you like group activities?
Yes. They are fun.
Do you participate in school competitions?
Yes. I love quiz competitions.
Do you have a library in your school?
Yes. It has many books.
What is your favorite thing about school?
I love spending time with my friends.
Do you like your school bag?
Yes. It is pink and very cute.
Do you enjoy science experiments?
Yes. They are exciting.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Yes, my mom packs it for me.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes. They are very nice.
Do you enjoy writing essays?
Sometimes, if the topic is interesting.
What do you do after school?
I finish my homework and play.
What is your favorite part of the school day?
I love recess time.
Do you like doing class presentations?
I feel a little nervous, but I try.
What subject do you think is easy?
English is easy for me.
Do you like your school principal?
Yes. She is very kind.
What do you do in PE class?
We run and play games.
Do you like spelling tests?
Yes. I am good at spelling.
What do you do on rainy days at school?
We stay inside and play board games.
Do you like making crafts in school?
Yes. It's so much fun.
How many subjects do you have?
I have 6 subjects.
Do you like writing in your notebook?
Yes. I like keeping my notebook neat.
Do you ever forget to bring your homework?
Sometimes, but I try to be careful.
What do you do when you finish your classwork early?
I read a book or help my friends.
Have you ever been the class monitor?
Yes. I was the monitor last year.
Do you like helping your friends with studies?
Yes. It makes learning fun.
What do you do before a test?
I revise my notes and practice.
Have you ever won a school prize?
Yes. I won a drawing competition.
Do you like school picnics?
Yes. They are the best.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor. What about you?
I want to be a teacher.